Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into our energy to see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. Mwah. I appreciate every last one of you. Let's go ahead and get into it. Energy is always fluid. I could be speaking of a masculine. It could be a feminine energy. There's a window out here, so I might be looking at the scenery, you guys. Um, if you see me looking out yonder. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. What's the next element we're going to have today? I have two cards left, two elements left. We've already done air signs, fire signs, and next is earth signs. Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo could definitely be significant here. My hands are ashy. My hands are ashy, Lord. Help me, Lord. Wait a minute, y'all. Let me get a little something going. Thank y'all for the likes. Again, thank you for the likes, the shares, the follows, subscribing. Gratitude for sharing your girl. With those that may resonate with these readings. Gratitude for leaving your marks with the comments. I appreciate every last one of you. You know, as you know, we are starting from the bottom. It's only up from here. Okay, starting from zero. Let me see what's going on. I think I've been made this channel in 2020 or something like that, but I didn't take it seriously. So now I'm taking it a little bit more seriously. I've been uploading consistently. Let's go ahead and get all that yapping done. But yeah, I appreciate y'all. All right. Let's see. I know I have videos I need to place on the membership only side of things, so we're gonna have to get into that as well. Start uploading on the membership only side of things. Now, let's go and get into it though. Earth signs, Capricorn towards Virgo. What y'all got going on? Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful day. Hopefully you guys had a wonderful, wonderful birthday. What is it that we need to know in regards to the earth signs? Clear, accurate messages, please, Spirit. What's happening with the earth signs? Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. Earth signs, please, Spirit. Earth signs. What's happening with the earth signs? That's too many. Earth signs, please, Spirit. What is it that we need to know in regards to our earth signs? Cup of coffee. Meeting. Conversation. I'm sorry. Meeting and conversing. Savoring the moment. Feeling uplifted and friendship. So there's an energy of somebody who wants to communicate with you guys, you guys. They want to meet and conversate with you. I don't know, this could have been a friend or something like that, or regarding a friendship. Okay, let's go ahead and continue on. A cup of coffee. Clarify coffee cup. Hmm. Also people get intuitive messages from a coffee cup as well. So in regards to this meeting or conversing situation, I'm seeing you guys having to utilize your intuition regarding this meetup. Okay. I want to know what's going on with this coffee cup. This says savor the moment, feeling uplifted. So something good may come out of this. We don't know because it always change in the middle. Clarify this coffee cup. What's going on with coffee cup? Strategy. So there's an energy of someone being very strategic, and especially when it comes to something that they are doing, planning, predicting, trying to be a mind reader, trying to be 10 steps ahead, especially when it comes to meeting, conversing, savoring a moment regarding a friendship. Somebody's planning this strategically. Number 48 could be significant. And I just said something about listening to your intuition, especially when it comes to this meetup and conversing with whoever this person is. Because again, strategy is definitely here. Somebody's strategically doing something. Let's go ahead and carry on. Would you mind clarifying strategy and coffee cup? Number 12 can be significant. 12, which is reduced from 48. 12 reduces to 3. Okay. The Holy Trinity. This is talking about mind, body, and spirit as well. But again, this is definitely speaking of something spiritual that is going on in this reading right here. Um, Clarify this strategy and coffee cup. Strategy, coffee cup. Fire, earth signs, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, strategy, and coffee cup. What is it that we need to know? Strategy, coffee cup. Excuse me, they trying to pull out my throat chakra. One more for strategy and coffee cup. Okay. Oh, okay. Shocking news at the bottom of the deck. I don't know. You could guys could be receiving a message from somebody. And it be maybe shocking that you even hearing from whoever this person is. But the first card that came out is drinking and toxic lifestyle. So it seems like whoever this person is that want to meet up and converse with you guys possibly be drinking and living some sort of toxic lifestyle. I'm seeing you guys are in this energy of being secure, confident, boss, career focused, focusing on yourself, and just simply living in the moment. Okay. There's an energy of relaxation. Mm. This could also talk about in the past, maybe you guys possibly live a toxic lifestyle and possibly used to drink and party in the past as well, but your life has totally changed. You're in this energy of boss energy, whether masculine or feminine energy. You're just simply in this energy of relaxing, going with the flow spiritually, not forcing or rushing anything. I'm seeing shocking news and I see legal matters here. I don't know, maybe somebody could be going through some sort of divorce or something like that. But also with this legal matters card, I'm definitely seeing an energy of justice. You see the scales balancing something out, okay? This is like karmic justice definitely at play. But somebody's trying to play their cards right, especially when it comes to you, because somebody already know that you're very intuitive. They're going through something of their own in their own life from what I'm seeing here. And they coming towards you, I guess, the light and the load of possibly some sort of karma that they may be experiencing in their life. Let's go ahead and carry on. Um, let's go and clarify drinking, toxic lifestyle. What is it that we need to know in regards to drinking, toxic lifestyle? Yeah, because somebody's possibly trying to strategically going to try to use your past against you. Okay. This is also like an energy of someone that possibly try to project onto you or something like that. Clarify a drinking, toxic lifestyle. They're trying to checkmate you. Clarify drinking toxic lifestyle, please. I'm seeing there's a mature man here. An older masculine energy may be significant. Okay. Clarify drinking toxic lifestyle. I want to grab one more. Okay, that's too many. But karma definitely jumped out. Karma is definitely significant. One more for drinking toxic lifestyle, please, spirit. Drinking toxic lifestyle. What's happening? Fire earth signs. Capricorn towards Virgo. Capricorn towards Virgo. Ooh, we got lust in reverse. So it seems like there's an energy of you guys no longer being attracted to whoever this person is. I feel like, yeah, that's what it seems like. There's definitely some sort of older masculine energy out here, coupled with this lust in reverse. So it seems like, I don't know, maybe this person may have made changes in their life. Maybe they were a very lustful individual. 69 could be significant. I'm definitely seeing a death and a rebirth. Yep. Somebody's changing or have changed. Number 19 could be significant. 9 and 1 is 10. Mm. Clarify Queen B. Queen B. You guys are in this as current energy of Queen Bee energy is what I'm seeing here. Okay. I feel like whoever this person is may possibly have tried to utilize a love spell against you guys, Earth sign. Number 7357. Yeah, somebody definitely tried to utilize some sort of love spell against you, but it's definitely showing that your chakras are in alignment. I feel like that's what's coming back to bite them in the ass. This person is battling with mental and emotional instability, is what I'm showing here. Yep, this is providing some sort of awakening, especially when it comes to the person, and now they want to come in and talk to you. Clarify in the moment, living in the moment. Ooh, mm, living in the moment. I feel like whoever you are, you're not even focusing on whoever this person is. There's an energy you guys not even focusing on whoever this person is with the veil in reverse. You're not even caring about what this person is. You're not checking for them or anything. And we have this flying monkeys in reverse as well. It's nothing that you can say or do to affect you in any form or fashion. Nothing that they can tell anyone else they can tell you that's going to affect you because right now you're just simply living in the moment. There's an energy of going with the flow. There's an energy of you understanding divine timing. Your energy is coming out as a sweetheart. And who's trying to attack you is an entity and someone that has an entity attached to them. This person might try to portray themselves as a sweetheart, but this person got some sort of entity attached to them. Is what I'm showing here. Yeah, this person been thinking about connection or romance that you guys had with one another. I'm seeing the energy of you guys changed. You're no longer the person that you were before. So them trying to, you know, trying to cause mayhem is definitely not working. That's why they're dealing with what they're dealing with now. Okay, even though it's come out masculine, it could be a feminine energy as well. As we know, feminine, could be a masculine energy could be a feminine energy. Place it whatever way it needs to be placed. Let's go ahead and grab it to well. But yeah, there's an energy of you guys are simply living in the moment, not focused on nobody or anything that they're talking about. They feel more focused on you coming up against you. Okay. Mm-mm. Let's go and clarify mature man and lust in reverse. Mature man, lust in reverse, please, spirit, fire, earth signs. Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, mature man, lust in reverse. Mature man, lust in reverse. Excuse me, mature man, lust in reverse. I'm seeing an energy of someone being hesitant. I'm seeing that this is a missed opportunity. Yeah, this was definitely a missed opportunity with whoever this person is. I'm seeing judgment being called. This person being awakened to who you are or who you were to them. I'm seeing this person in the Nine of Swords. There's a lot of regret, remorse, anxiety. You, the Empress. Your divine feminine energy. Ooh, babe. Yeah, there's energy of anxiety, burdens, regret, anguish, guilt. Yep. I see you guys got away. There's energy have taken a leap of faith in a different direction, left this person behind. This person was very reckless. You left them in the energy of the toxicity that they were still living in, drinking and living a toxic lifestyle. You left. Okay, let's go ahead and clarify this love spell and chakras. Number 73 and 57 could be significant. Love spell and chakras, please. Love spell and chakras for the earth signs. Now, the first thing I'm noticing, clarifying the love spell and the chakras, is someone being a regret and trying to extend some sort of offer and you refusing that offer, not wanting anything to do with this person. I feel like this person may be experiencing stagnation in their life. It seems like whatever they may have sent to you, it created some sort of disillusion, especially when it comes to how you view them or see them. This person is very self absorbed. This is someone from your past. It's giving off nostalgic energy. And your energy is coming off as independent, Nine of Pentacles energy. Okay? Independent wealth, independent security, stability, prosperity, focusing on work and college and things like that. I'm seeing your business is thriving. You having some sort of status in life or online. Very wise. There's an energy of wisdom and maturity here, and this person being left out in the cold. Experiencing tower moments after tower moments. There's an energy of them feeling stuck and they can't get out of the repetitive cycle of bad luck that they have been experiencing. Almost feeling like their hands being tied, but they came up against you. Okay? There's an energy of them feeling restricted, backed into a corner, like they can't do anything. And that's why they're coming towards you. Now, clarify living in the moment, or what? I'm sorry, clarify the veil in reverse, flying monkey in reverse. The veil in reverse and flying monkey in reverse, please, Spirit. What's going on with the veil in reverse and flying monkey in reverse? Bad luck. There's an energy of bad luck here. Yeah, you're not even focusing on, like I stated, you're not even checking for these people. You living in the moment, I'm seeing you living your life, and I'm seeing divine timing, things happen in divine timing. I'm seeing like the flying monkey situation is not working with them trying to talk about you or spread some sort of narrative about you. I'm seeing there's an energy of someone dealing with bad luck. There's some sort of disorder. I'm seeing there's an energy of having lack of control, some sort of disruption, unwelcome changes happening in their life, and it has no. It's the Most High here. The Most High is definitely here. I'm seeing that there's an energy of. I don't know if someone possibly could have been married or in a long term relationship with whoever this person is or something like that. I am seeing the Queen of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. All right. Coming up against the Queen of Pentacles energy and the closing of a cycle with the World card. Look, karmic justice is definitely at play. Somebody came up against you. Mm-mm. They definitely came up against you guys, and I'm seeing a closing to a cycle or ending to a contract, whoever this person is. They're experiencing bad luck, which I originally felt. There's nothing they can do. Mm-mm. There's nothing they can do. They might be having money problems or something like that. I'm seeing an energy of juggling in life, juggling money. I'm seeing them experiencing a lot of loss. I'm seeing profit and loss. financial stress, having to make financial decisions and things like that, as you guys making a choice, a decision in regards to what you're going to do next. I see you guys making choices as well. I'm seeing the grass greener on the other side. This person is possibly this. It's like this person is waiting, anticipating to get back into your energy or something like that. Yeah, this might even been a friend, okay, with this friendship down here with the Three of Cups. Yep, I see you guys standing in your power. There's energy, you having inner strength, courageous bravery, maintaining some sort of control, overcoming a lot of self-doubts, controlling some sort of inner demon of your own to get in a place that you are today. You did a lot of healing. That's what I'm seeing here, Earth signs.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.